Ni kipkebe yo toka imeye kaunti ya Nyamira ni goritkolia rero yaba kegotwara ritko yabarimi asibaba gucengera abarimi bari babere bakubeka omokiase uburemi bwekemeri yechae abo baba konyora ebyewa aona boigo chi certificate go kwana nabariki nigo mu director monene ase factory yo Silas Njibwakale abaga kwenekia gosekuru kubore ochiase abarimi kwenekia bunangoru nkwena nabare echae erengia erego konya asokonyora kure okuya tinga kecho ni gabaremi baba kuroko bore ochase kiumbe getenenere tekemeriye cha imense ya Kenya KTDA ko bachinga kigose obusibure bwegwechorera factory eyo barabe bakonia echa yabo muri keito job manki norboti rwasenchira yobwikirano
Huna enchera moyo kwene kingosira bale abaremi bekemeri yechae na konyora ligesa ligia nige kampuni ya Sasini Tea Limited egotoka imeye bunge ya barabu county Nyamira barigania omorobelio oreta amo ababwatani ao anene mono abaremi abarai be factory eyo na boigo abarekuru ase bitago byobonendine county ya Nyamira gosanga amo.
One, thank them for the support they give us, and number two, update them on the progress the company is making, not just in the tea zone, but in our other businesses as well, so that they know what we're doing in academia, avocado, and coffee. It's a form of interaction with farmers. We just want to build a very strong loyalty of our farmers to the Sasini brand, so that we can be able to continue making money for the shareholders.
Asebairali bagali abene kwa ebiegwa abalimi babete bagokora buya ase okwena na HI go chiase factory eyo na boigo bali babere bakwena na HI botambe kago kwana nabaliki bamangana amajiya omo managing director be factory eyo Silas Njibwakale nateba emeroberio emiyababekire ase factory eyo nero yenekiri abalimi be factory eyo nkonyora bale engeria engiya ye bonus ase factory eyo etangaine
because as we speak now we are paying the farmers the highest price per kilo for the first payment of the agreement we had 40 shillings.
Boigo nateba nkwena nabale oboyo na maigelio anene mono ase oboremi.
Of course, when we make money from our sales, we will also be able to give them a second bonus. Another thing is that the farmers benefit from the inputs. That's the fertilizer that we are able to avail to them, and that has been able to increase their yields, beating our farmers who are very congratulatory for the services that we offer on the farm on agronomy aspect.
Boigomo director yona segeta abalemi kwena na HI engiya amato aberene nkoro ilinde bachikonyora ligesa ligia.
We are just looking for two leaves and a part. Top quality green leaf that can be able to give us top quality net tea for our specific buyers.
Enseme yabalimi mbaira nelimbia mono asobokoreri obuye bakonyora ase factory eyo nakubasaba kogenderera boigo
nelianga company ya Sasini ya tokoleira maya buna balemi bakorusia echaisiko kubwa mono tigolie gotoa chisiringi 40 bakorusia transport yeri babogorerie chai kuru ase tole batoa chisiringi 35 nemo
na gusaba baegwe obosibole bayire echagwe tania ase factory eyemo ase baroche nagia
tigaba tutigere freedom yeito tutware freedom of choice ngaito koba ingitwara ekiyasa abutu agenda na barabombu yabale
etige monobori eabalemi freedom of choice uno mojamani oitatewa tigato nyare gutware gento kerige korokwa obosibole bwo omurimi mugeni abalimi bande baoneri Sasini tiga serikali eto obosibole bwa willing buyer willing seller kero montaire chaya ya setagete
yinko reporteria Ndizi TV kurwase county ya Nyamira Job Maangi.